What is going on, and welcome back to my channel. What is popping off? I feel like this is the second video I've filmed this year. I just want to say thank you so much for the love on my last video. I can't believe y'all were really realizing I was actually gonna get a BBL. Ciao, what in the Black China is going on? Hope you guys are good. How was your weekend? Please let me know in the comments. How's your week? Please let me know in the comments, and I hope you guys are good. So today's video is very much a different one, and this one's kind of like a 2023 haul, fashion haul, which some things I've got, like which I had on my list for ages. Anyway, if you want to see what I got and what's been popping off, keep on watching. Also, if you want like a little tutorial on this look, let me know. It was actually super easy to film. I'm actually surprised at how long it's kind of lasted, like seeing as like I filmed this kind of like hours ago. I kind of filmed it for a TikTok, so let me guys know if you want like a video on here. If not, I could upload it as a shorts, and thank you guys for loving the shorts. So I have actually been shopping smarter and not harder. Is that the right thing to say? I don't know. But I've been selling so much of my stuff just because when I was sick during New Year's, when I had the flu, I was just like, oh, I have so much clothes, and I did like the biggest revamp. I gave loads of stuff to charity, gave loads of stuff to family, sold loads of things on Vestiaire, sold loads of things on eBay, and I just feel like I want stuff that I'm actually gonna wear and I'm actually gonna use. I think before I was buying so much things that as I've gotten older, I just realized, you know, I'm not on my color palette. And I look at the things that I wear so much, and I just repeat things, and I go to things that I love, and I just thought this is the vibe I need to be in 2023. Going with things that you love and choosing the things that you just know you're gonna wear, and like, you know, we can always buy little things that we, you know, are cute and stuff, but it's all about just being smart and just, you know, doing a little cuteness. So this is kind of my first 2023 fashion essential hauls of things that, it's not even a big one, it's just 3 items. Like one of them was kind of like a birthday gift, which I'd wanted for a long time, and you know, and the 2 others were just things that I had on my wish list for ages, and the other one was essential. So let's get into the first one. So if it happens, I should have a video, like a little video coming up here, and how I style it. Charlotte should appear here, but the first one is from Bottega. You guys know I'm a Bottega hoe. Like I think Bottega and Acne Studio definitely have to be one of my favorite brands, but Bottega is definitely one of my favorite brands. I've already got 2 of these bags, and y'all probably know what it is. And I have wanted this bag for ages. When I first, actually, I'm not gonna lie, I was influenced by TikTok and people that I follow. I was like, oh my god, I really want that size. Like I love a big bag. I'm kind of over small bags. Okay, so look, this is how big the dust bag is. This is how big. So this is what I got. Look how big this bag is. This is so big. Like, it's so gorgeous. I'm gonna show you how I style it in the corner of the screen, just so you guys can see how big and juicy it is. This is the Bottega. Wait, I've got the small Jodie. I've got the teen. So small teen. No, small. No, the mini Jodie, the teen Jodie, the small Jodie, and the medium Jodie, and this is the medium. I'm not sure why they name it like that. It's so confusing because you think the teen. Anyway, this is the medium, and they're actually not making this anymore. So I think that's because it is kind of like it looks like a weekend bag. Like, I'm not gonna lie. It's so gorgeous. It's something that I wanted for my birthday. I got rid of a few other bags just to make room for it, because kind of my motto was getting rid of it just to get some in, one out. I'm gonna show you how I style it, and I think this bag is so versatile. Again, you don't need to get this bag new if you are looking for a Bottega bag. There's a lot of them on Vestiaire. There's a lot on eBay. I wouldn't get anything off Depop because the girls on there love the tussle. Yeah, so they actually do this in, you can get the new one or you can get the vintage one on the other websites, but it's so gorgeous. I would wear this every day with like a leather trench, a blazer. You could wear it with anything because black truly goes with anything. It's such a stunning bag. It's actually so flipping big. I love it. I'm probably gonna use it every single day. Like, and also they do this new thing now where they actually give you a card. Let me see, I've got it. Look at this card. Ah! So I actually got the card, guys. This card is, let me not give you guys it is so heavy. It feels like a flipping gold Amex. It's basically like a bag for life. Tap the card with your mobile access certificate. Oh wow, it's kind of like what Chanel are doing, like just to stop counterfeits like coming back, and like So if anything happens to the bag, like if it gets a bit, if the handle snaps, which that probably won't happen. If anything happens, they will try to replace, no, try to fix it. If not, they'll replace the whole bag. But I'm not sure how they'll replace it because they're not making them anymore. But I think they'll probably just give you money for a new bag, and it's their new system because they don't want people to buy the same repeat bags if it breaks. Because you know sometimes with some brands it's like 1 or 2 years, banging, just banging. Also, can we take a moment for this? Like, it's like a jumpsuit from Zara. I bought it for, why did I buy it for? I'm not sure what I bought it for, but look, smart in the, wait, what we're gonna say, it's like proper and formal in the front and a party in the back. Okay, okay. It definitely is a party in the back. But okay, the next item, okay. How do I justify this? Well, I had points on a Harrods card, but there's nothing to justify spending this much on an item. Like, there's definitely dupes, but I saw the color palette and I was definitely influenced by fashion influencers that I follow. And this is from Acne Studio, which is definitely one of my favorite brands. I've got 2 bikers from there, and I'm actually so upset because there's one biker that I bought years and years ago, and because like I've been like working out and stuff, it doesn't fit me in the shoulder department. I'm like, I can't sell this like biker jacket. It means so much to me. Like, I was hoeing in this jacket. I've been on the holidays in this jacket. This jacket has seen me at my worstest times since he even think about selling it, but I don't wear it because it doesn't fit me. I don't know. I can wear it, but I can't wear it over a hoodie. And that's like a big like part of wearing something for me. So anyway, so this is what it looks like, and it's a scarf. I'm gonna put a video to the side of here as well, showing you how I, let me move the child, let me move this. Showing you how I style it. So this is it here. This is like a mohair scarf by Acne. It is so soft. I can see why some people would feel it a bit itchy, but I just love the palette. I think this kind of palette goes well. I don't want to get makeup on it because I've actually got lip gloss on, but oh guys, imagine this is the first scarf I bought myself, which is so weird. Like, I never bought myself a scarf, and when I got ill a few weeks ago, I just thought, okay, I really need a scarf. And all the scarves I was looking at, I was like, that's not cute. Okay. I just know this will last me for, well, I'm not sure if it will last me for a lifetime. It will definitely last me for a cute time, like a cute few years, you know. And I'm not a person that buys scarves a lot. Like, it keeps me warm. I went on a press trip last week and I wore it and I got so much compliments on it. It's super, super cozy. And yeah, so let me guys know what you think of the scarf. Again, there are dupes out there, and I just feel like, you know, it was very much an impulse purchase, and that's not cute, but I love the tones, and there wasn't any other scarves that I liked, and you know, new year, new me. Okay, so the last one I have wanted, maybe like 2 or 3 years. I have the white pair, but I was in a predicament of like, do I get the low heel or a high heel? And I'm not sure if I told you guys, but I've been going through physiotherapy just because during the lockdown I started skipping. Remember, I think you guys will probably hear me spoke about this in the vlog, and I was skipping in my living room, and I did something, and it's ever since I fucked up my knee. So I haven't been able to like really skip. I don't think I would skip again. It's just too much impacts on the knees. Like, even though skipping's so good for you, I'd probably do it like very lightly, but I don't think I can do it again, guys. My knee, I have to have, it's just not a moment. But anyway, let me show you what I got. So I got this from Coggles. And imagine, when I was cleaning out my bedroom, I found a Coggles gift card, which Cult Beauty gifted to me like maybe a few months ago or like last year. So I was like, what did this work? So I think it was like 50 pounds, I think it was 50 pounds. And bearing in mind, I just put it in my wallet, I wasn't even thinking about it. But I was looking for these pair of shoes in the low heel, and no one really had them except for Farfetch. And Farfetch, their delivery was, when I want something, I want it now. I'm so impatient, it's a Sagittarius to me. And I saw Coggles had it, and they do next day delivery, and with the £50 off, plus 15% off, which made them the cheapest. And also, when I was trying to get these on resale, they were basically the same as full price. I was like, child, why would I want my shoes smelling like flipping Jackson down the road? So, let me show you these. I actually got them today, like fresh today. And this is the box. Margiela, that Margiela. I know a lot of people won't like these, but they're just stunning. I'm very much in my boot era. I'm not sure. I don't know if I could wear these in summer just because, you know. What in the camel toe is going on? So these are the Margiela tabbies. I got the 3cm heel. I've got the white ones with the This is the 3 centimeter. I've got the white ones with the 5 centimeter, which is about here. And I really like this because they're more about everyday. Even though I love my white ones, I just feel like I don't wear them all the time in the day just because sometimes I don't want a heel every single day. Do you know what I mean? Like, I think it's very, the white ones are very much an evening moment. So I can wear it in the day, but these ones are very much every day. There's not a lot of impact. I can put it, well, I can't put it insole. I can probably put a heel insole. And obviously I need to get some tabby socks just so, you know, my foot isn't irritated. But I love these so much. Again, I'll put a video on how, I'll style them on the screen. But let me guys know what you think. I know these kind of things. I just feel like the boots and the bag will go together, plus the scarf. And what the hell? I normally wear all black anyway, but this year I made a vision board of how, like, obviously you don't have to buy expensive things to look a certain way. Child, I love me a COS, love me H&M, love me a Arquette, but I just feel like I want to buy things that I'm gonna use forever. To be fair, I've had those white boots, the white versions of the type of boots now for maybe about, I want to say 4 years, and I've worn them well, at least got at least 4 to 5 wears out of them a year. And I'm basically on a spending ban now because I'm gonna upload loads of more new stuff that I'm selling, and then I probably won't get stuff until summer now just because I have so much clothes, guys. You know, I urge all of you to go for your closets and look at things, because while there are things I still hadn't worn that had tags on, which I wanted, but I did impulse buys in them. It just isn't the vibe. It isn't the vibe this year, and it isn't the vibe for me. Definitely just think about something before you purchase. It depends what it is. If it's something cute and it's a good deal, as me and my friend Tage would say, buy now, return later. Period. Hope you guys have liked this video. It's definitely something different. Let me guys know if you want more fashion content. I'll definitely be uploading more like kind of like reels and like shorts and stuff, doing more outfit tries. So let me guys know what you like, okay? Hope you guys are enjoying your Wednesday and love you guys so much.